Motherboard replacement on desktop PC. Thank you, Sir Emmanuel, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. The reason for the replacement is that the unit turns on, but it has no display. Upon troubleshooting, the motherboard was pursuing the issue. Since there are no stock for A320M and B450M chipsets, we recommended to install this GB and 520MDS 3HV2 motherboard, replacing the customer's A320M motherboard with a GB. A 520MD's 3H represents a strategic and future-proof upgrade that delivers tangible benefits across performance, stability, and compatibility. Unlike the A320 chipset, the A520 platform provides out-of-the-box support for 3-road and 5th-generation AMD Ryzen processors, pinning the latest BIOS, allowing users to harness the full power of modern CPUs without complex workarounds. Its reinforced VRM design and improved power delivery help maintain stable voltages under heavy loads, reducing the risk of system crashes or throttling during demanding tasks such as gaming, video editing, or multitasking. Motherboard replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have our motherboard be replaced too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.